अक्षय कुमार ने कहा कि उनको एक हफ्ते से ज्यादा लगा सरफरा की डायरेक्टर सुधा कोंगारा के साथ कंफर्टेबल होने में, क्योंकि उनके बीच आ रहे थे क्रिएटिव डिफरेंसेस। To know more, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Actor Akshay Kumar opened up about the creative differences that he had with his Sarfara director Sudha Kongara and said that it took them a week or so to sort things out. Sudha also directed Surariputru, the original Tamil film upon which Sarfara is based. In an interview, Akshay said that he found her way of working to be irregular from what he is accustomed to, but noted that she was gracious enough to accept his request. Like when he asked her to shoot an emotional scene with multiple cameras and film longer takes. एक इंटरव्यू में अक्षय से पूछा गया कि क्या फिल्म के डायरेक्टर्स भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं फॉर शेपिंग अ परफॉर्मेंस, तो अक्षय ने जवाब दिया, वेरी मच. ही इज द कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप. आई कुड बी डूइंग अनदर फिल्म ऑल्सो, बट ही इज गोइंग टू बी विद दैट फिल्म थ्रू आउट. सो येस, द डायरेक्टर मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस. द प्रोड्यूसर मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस. द टेक्नीशियन also makes a lot of difference. Asked about the first day of shoot on Sarfara, Akshay said the first day of shoot, it always takes time for the actor to blend with the director. I have to learn their way of working. It took a little time on Sarfara, maybe 5 or 6 days, and then after that it was very smooth sailing. Akshay was asked if he could elaborate with some examples, and Akshay said, Sudha is a director who sets up her camera and tells the actor what they need to do. But there are many directors who ask, you tell me what you are going to do and I'll move the camera accordingly. Sudha was telling me what I have to do, not the other way around. अक्षय ने जो बाकी फिल्म्स में काम किया है उसके एग्जाम्पल्स लेके वो प्रोसेस के बारे में भी बताया और कहा, प्रियदर्शन लेट्स एक्टर्स डू देयर थिंग बट आल्सो एग्जैक्टली व्हेन टू रेन देम इन. Shankar is very particular, he said, and doesn't allow actors to deviate even minorly from what he has envisioned. Rajkumar Santoshi allows his actors to exercise complete freedom, while Neeraj Pandey trims his own dialogue and expects actors to fill in the gaps that lines normally would. एक पुराने इंटरव्यू में सुधा ने भी अपने और अक्षय के कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज के बारे में बात करते हुए कहा था, with Akshay sir, it's sir first of all, and I was meeting this gentleman for the first time. The first 6 days he wasn't happy. He was like, what is this girl making me do all this rubbish? So then he and the producer spoke to me and I said, you do whatever you like to do and I will tell you when it isn't going right. She said that after she showed Akshay a cut of scene, he was convinced that a process was working. Like Surariputru, Sarfara is also based on the life of Captain Gopinath, the man who created India's first low-cost airline. Well, आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या अक्षय कुमार के साथ काम करना आसान है या सच में डायरेक्टर में ही कोई फॉल्ट थी? Do let us know your views in the comment section below and for more such latest updates, do follow our page.